Morning, everyone. I noticed out the bathroom window this morning that I have a third red flower spike on the canna lilies. So that should keep the hummers in some natural flower nectar for days longer. That's good. Very good. Today's basically a carbon copy of yesterday. Chance of an afternoon thunderstorm. But into the evening, they're saying we could get up to an inch of rain. So I'll only be watering necessities this morning. I won't be doing a lot of watering. It seems likely we'll get some rain tonight. They're talking about flash flooding warnings and you know the drill. So we'll head here to the gym in a bit. I'm just starting my morning routine. Hi, Gray. Hi. Hello, sweet pea. Here you go. There you go. There's your chicken. There's your chicken. There's Smart Man. And there's Morris. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Come on, Morris. Come on up. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good boy. Are you hungry or did you get so much food in the house you don't care? Stripey's around somewhere. He just went out a few minutes ago. Well, Dawn pulled the blue one off the plate this morning and used a double-sided sticky tape to attach the pedestal, which is the piece of support from inside, and put the light in for me to charge up. I told you it was like a frost blue. It's pretty. Well, this year in my yard, I am noticing that white flowers really don't attract the bees as bad as yellow flowers. So I ordered some more white flowers so I can swap them out on some of my other feeders. And yeah, I'm just doing the swap. This feeder's my favorite. Really wide neck at the bottom so I can get in there with the brush really easy, and it just cleans super easy, and it's got that great rain moat, and I just like this one. It's my favorite. Hey, look, Cybertruck. He added some bars over the back of his tonneau cover. I don't know what you would call those. It's like a roof rack over. Yeah, luggage rack or roof tie-on ability over the tonneau cover. Protect the tonneau cover. I don't know. Anyway, we like seeing Cybertrucks. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
Can't wave her off, fall off the machine. He's delusional and he thinks the car might go in the garage. Look, we know it's not supposed to do that yet, okay? But we can hope. Didn't fake you out quite as much today.
He just totally ignored me.
I planted 2 barberry bushes. They've been up by Uncle Sam in that spot there along the side of the driveway for over a year. It was time to get them in the ground. Here's the other one. I thought the gold that this one turns in contrast with the blood good dark maroon would be nice. And I also installed one of the cut leaf cone flowers next to one that had volunteered. Well, I finished off yesterday on step 181. I think I told you the first floor was done at 200 and change. Anyway, I'm going to work on it for a little while. I got yesterday's video done with Gray, and it's 4:30, and I've got a little bit of time. We're at that part of the program. Hi, sweetie. The first floor includes the second floor of the round piece, which is coming up here, and then it actually builds the floor and keeps on going with the second floor. So we'll see how that goes. So I got the second part of the tower built, and it's time to start on the floor for the second floor. And probably build that piece there and then stop for the night. The floor is on. I'm noticing, you know, there's no stud in this corner. I might swap out a tile for a stud to keep that down, but probably the weight of the floor will do it. Hi. Are you jealous of me filming a video? She can't possibly be hungry. It fits nicely. This thing is built, the engineering of it, really well. I also need... Go lay down, nighttime. I also need another railing over the door piece to go here. It's the same one that needs to be swapped out over here, so I have ordered some. It thankfully can be added without taking anything apart. Just lift that off. I'm stopping for the night, and I ordered macaronis. He didn't... That's what these round things are called. He didn't cover the top of the railing. But I like it covered, so I didn't have any in black. What's wrong, sweetheart? What's wrong? Hi. I swear I fed her. I swear, I promise.